Internally Displaced Persons bingwui Resettlement Khayon kachàng sahairasàkhavai ngaràndalei Kumpei Relief Camps shungkhavai sahaura. Kugi militants grouply suspensions of operations agreement renew masakhavai organizations Madina Union Home Minister Likabo memorandum misangaira. Lei Khayon Thor, Tangkhul Express TV upau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a pamidole. Pau bing may saina nang roomsa. Manipur we internally displaced persons IDPs bingwui resettlement hiwui Khayon kachàng sahairasàkhavai ngaràndalei chihaira. Pau hi Manipur Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh hangda stately chingri kahai ramamànda IDPs saikora resettling December kachàng sahairasàkhavai shorkar ngarànda leiyaji. Kalaji athumwui kachàng khat shimmaning akha shorkar na sem kami temporary housing ngarànmira hanga. Manipur State Commissions for Scheduled Tribes Second Foundation Day Community Chief Secretary na kahangna. Displaced mi bingli relief camp moina kachucha wapamli unga sakhawai khangaran kachàng hili hawhokra. Shimpam khangaje G-face kathum marang tadraha kala Khayon lisara Churachandpur kala Kangpokpi relief camp moina safe sada hanung khawai khangasan sadalai gaji Singh na hangam. Shim sakayang mi hauda mabampai luiki gaji bing shiwibang pre-fabricated shelter ngaràndalei da hanga. Kumpei ina tangda welungli permanent housing li manung kharar bing temporary units li leisara. Khayon ina tangda welungli relief camp shungkhavai ngaràndalei da Singh na hanga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unglapaya da chanbao zadaklei maramli Chief Secretary na third committee thaka PM ungra gaji officials chanbao state shorkar li masampangranga. Administrative Development Shong Singh na kahang Government Office Qatar Civil Secretariat Complex Mandri Bukrili Hongwa Khawai kachàng hiwui na hawpokra. Qatar Civil Secretariat Complex ji masangla tharkat kahaura da ji hangdalei. Key infrastructure projects Manipur Police Headquarters IT Park kala Dwarka Delhi na Kolkata li Manipur Bhavans semgira khalai jili atam chada khuikagi da leiya da Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar na hanga. Kugi militants grouply suspensions of operations as the below agreement later Kaleji Tangkhul organizations Madina Union Home Minister Amit Shah Likabo memorandum misangaira. Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM Thadau Inbi Manipur TIM Mayday Alliance Kala Foothill Naga Coordinations Committee Hiping Hina memorandum misangda as the below agreement renew masakhavai bohaira. Agreement Jili Zangda Kale Kuki National Organizations KNO in a United People's Front UPF na as the below with terms mashur to the organizations being jinhanga. 2023 Karam Kachang Churachandpur li Rot Kamrat Shok Hangasakli KNO in a UPF we outfit Magada Pangaji Zangada Memorandum Jili Hangsanga. Suspensions of operations na Protector of Violence Masangasak Paimana. Manipurli chingri kahai kala stability khiralu shit khawai tul ngasagi kachinada memorandum chili hangsanga. Manipurli elected shorkar khira khawaila border violence li kazang militants SWO li zangrano saikora li prosecute sa phlungra kachi hanga. Tangkhul film luiramli manga thanda khale Maipung production with official website aya shohaira. Website chili Maipung production with movies kala video mang maningla Tangkhul with productions kade pingnala sang baira da hanga. Website ka show with kamataya krin maram Maipung production with CWO Sima Wungshina kahang Maipung mang maningla Tangkhul with production house saikora apam ngata daily movie katar release sara kachitharan kasak tara karaya. Ayar ngalay metro cities Mumbai Delhi katha li movie akka release sara kachitharan hall masasàkhavai we amand kala khung khawa we amand kashan je phai ka khui liwa kashok na chung khamai tha huwa. Our website lehauda apam ngada daily zat salala platforms hili upload saka hai tharan hiwi enala revenue zangra Tangkhul we actor actress sai corona chikat ngarok laga ot kasana da sima ungshin hanga. Maipung production website chi Delhi kala ukrul based design agency digital design studio we Karin so ina Rinmi Kamrang Anina design Sakamina. Itumna thaipai kasar design agency hi beauty lifestyle kala tech sectors li branding kala web experience li specialized kasa agency akana. Maipung production wi website hili kazang content saikora khalemina sangmira. Kala latest release movie katha hi premium li haimira. Chili yang khangai bingna aman paila kaina khuida abam atam kachichawi ning kachàng li yang baira da hanga. Website chili karesa da singthan wo ina mushun wo movies premium ina haimi dale. Website chiwe categories li movies, anniversaries, red carpet, music video, dog shows, showroom kala. Sports da ayur ngatatay da kaimi haya. Maipung production house na yariwi katom kami ngagaw da website chili registered sahairasàkhavai. Free kala premium movie subscribe sahairasàkhavai hangsanga. Asamina Meghalaya Liret Khangayatli Jam Khana Khwirakhavai Memorandum of Understanding MOU Shoi Sau Gidale. Interstate boundaries ngaririk kai shorkar MOU Shoi Sau Rakaji Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sarmana Ayachishada. Our official Twitter handle Chief Minister Nakahang Meghalaya 1972 kum Sem Kashok Tharan Assam Liret Kasapam Taraka ngaririk Makhaila Rahauda Pukangapa kala tension leiyaji. Sarmana kahang 2022 kum Center Shorkar na yang sangmida states kanijina leiret khangiyat tharsangkhavai historic MOU shoi sai. Aji rashungda ngayadra da khalai apam trada khani wing chaili tharukwi tharsangda democrations ot sakhavai kai shok haurachi. State kanijwi boundaries pillars khare khaning khavai ot hawpok haura da hang. Sa kahai Miksho Tharawalungli Manipur Traffic Police na e-jalan system ay na fine lupa lak tharalang da ngashay kuhiram. State we apam ngadatay dali e-jalans shataruk mida lupa lak thara ting magada khani kada we fine ngashay kuyaji. Officials na ya report kasa tishuda motor vehicles offense mashok sahairasàkhavai traffic police na yang gasangni kachàng hiwui tarik akhai na kuthumwelungli 193 jalans kakmi fined lupa 3,27,500 ngashay kuya. Officials na kahang traffic violations malay khavai traffic police na traffic ayin magashur bingli e-jalan kakmi kala tukakui hi lay. Traffic ay na motor vehicles regulations magashur hi Motor Vehicles Act 2019 Paradiya Nenya Sanhida PNS 2023 wazing li zanga. Traffic violations manage kasali kome khavai e-jalan system hi shorkar na digital initiative sada khwiraya. System jina transparency lay khangasak paperwork suida khangasak kala traffic law enforce kasa mathame ngasakachi. Rakara electoral rolls with pre-revisions wibang Manipur Chief Electoral Officers na assembly level trainers ALTS ping wibang katum thangwi training room mi haira. Pre-revisions chi tharau January 1, 2026 na qualifying date sada etc. Training ji makha thumra aina hapokta marang khani na tangda CEO wi office infali rungmia. Pre-revisions sagi kachi maramli put level officers PLOs pingli hang jithe khawai ALTS pingli tam jithe haira. Assembly constituency hang thrukwe na mi khani ni wada training chili ALTS shaka apamuk zangachi. Athumwui khamataya electoral procedures constitutional kala statutory provisions hikata hi hangjite haira. Form ngadatay da kale Form 6 additions, Form 7 deletions, Form 8 shifting, corrections of electors, replacement of EBIC and PWT marking hikata hi practical training mi haira. PLO in a voter helpline application voters portal voters.eci.government.in hikata hi shijin jite haira. Ara LTS shaka mukajina state with PLOs tingani shachigo hang pangada pangali train sau gigajina. PLOs pina shimli survey kazat kala electoral rolls pre-revisions ina revisions li saran mathada sahairasàkhavai training miki kajina. Manipurli internally displaced Meideshim Kurpingwe Kachot Kachangli Nik Zangmi Khawai Federations of Haume FOH na Shorkarle Memorandum Misang Haira. ID Power Thishuda, Maramchi Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Manipur Governor Kala Secretary to the Presidents of India Li Chitiena Mivahira. Memorandum Jina illegal immigrations, foreign-based militant group Rakapam Kala suspensions of operations Li Makamia Pongshoka. SWOli Changdakle grouping je extortions, kidnapping, poppy cultivations kala armed attack li shirukwida Meitei Traka displays sahairasàkhavai gaji memorandum ni hanga. Mingazina kahai relief camp lipam kachàng khangai trauma ngapangda IDPs being basic resource masam phangla layada kabi sangam. Federations China SWO agreement approcate kasa demand sada IDPs being with rehabilitation stakta ngaràndaleiai poya. Display shim kurping jili shorkar ot kala shim ngaràndaleiai pohaira. Manipur Gapung District Security Force na khutlai ngada data phakui haira. Manipur Police, Assam Rifles, Army kala Central Armed Police Force CAPFS with team na achahon tarik katum ngayaina madi ngathorwa lungli coordinated cooperations fire. Search operations chili Rip Sada, Tringnopal, Kangbokpi, Chandel kala Churachandpur District Livada Kutlai Shakani Apakatum Sampanga. Chili INSAS rifles, AK series rifles, SLRS, sniper rifles, carbine, .303 rifles, mortars, MA assault rifles, M79 grenade launchers, Hikatahi Zangaji. Ammunitions kala explosive live rounds, improvised explosive device, IEDs, hand grenades, bomb shield, latot grenades, Hikathala, Sampangada hanga. Manipur COVID-19 positive case, Shakani Hangjishat, Kashunghaira, State Health and Family Welfare Department ayam mikashok report li yangaka tarik kutum may na matiwa lungli mi tumrada kutum test kasali positive pangashoka. Fresh case jizangda saikora rumlaka. Manipur positive case Shakani Hangjishat kakahaina. Machine hi makagajangwe tarik akawena shan kapokna. Hiwui lungli COVID enagati report malaymana. COVID-19 kagazahi kachunga Imphal West li taikuya district chili positive case Shaka Hangjishat Chiko Kashunghaira. Imphal Eastli Hangtrukta Panga Kahaira. Ayawi report Atishurta, Manipur with positive case, active Hangtrukta Katumle. Tratamati Arishangaina discharge Sahaira, Hangpangada Chikona Shimle Hadale. Ladluita, Ajawi Kamataya Pauping. Manipur Internally Displaced Persons Bingwui Resettlement Khayon kachàng sahairasàkhavai ngaràndalei. Kumbay relief camps shungkhavai sahaura. Kugi militants grouply suspensions of operations agreement renew masakhavai organizations Madina Union Home Minister Likabo memorandum misanghaira. Ajawi pau hilinga changhaira pau na da klintum sai koroli ringapha kala khamhai simishong sasari.